I bought this converter because I recently bought a ceramic fountain and decided to try a 12V pump instead of 120. The converter is compact, so easy to mount. It is quiet and runs great. Output is very smooth. It turns out that I should have bought a 24 volts instead because the fountain is too tall for the 12V converter to push enough water out. By the time I realized this, the return period had ended. I contacted the seller and he has readily agreed to make the exchange to the 24 volts that he sells. Therefore, I think the seller offers very good customer service. Came equipped with what it was supposed to, I guess. I wrote a review for another power supply that got attached to this one by mistake, but here is my review on this power supply. Power supply came with plug-in wall cord, fan was pretty quiet, and am reserving review on the performance until I put it under a load such as a 50-watt car power amp. Bought for my amplifier so I could crank my music up louder without it sounding like crap or flickering the lights. Only got to use a few times, but it made my music sound seriously amazing. Only issue was that it just quit working out of nowhere. Sent a message to the seller and they were very awesome and have issued a replacement for me. Great seller for sure. Looks and feels good, however, the fan is super loud. My recommendation to all, it working fantastic. This is a godsend. We are building a schooling and purchase this to use while we build our electrical room up. We have max air fans, 2 water pumps and 30 LED lights along with several chargers for phones working of this. I have a 12-volt fuel pump on my farm fuel tank. I can hook it up to a battery, or better yet to this. It is easy to use, powerful and looks great. The unit is small, but it puts out the necessary current that I need to run the pump. The packaging was minimal. No padding, just the SMPS unit in a cardboard box barely larger than the unit. No paperwork, no instructions, no invoice, nothing. I plugged the unit to 120V outlet, notice a green LED light inside the unit and the fan blowing fairly quiet. I measured the voltage at 11.87 VDC with my fluke meter. I connected a Smittybuilt 2781 tire air compressor 12 volts power clips-on leads to the SMPS output terminals and turn on the air compressor OK. For a more complete test, I aired down one of my tires to 25 pounds per square inch and air back up to about 36 pounds per square inch in less than a minute. The Smittybuilt max current draw is 45A. Initial short test completed satisfactory. I wish it had an on/off switch and 12 VDC adjustment. But not a deal breaker. Hopefully it will be durable in the long run. Provides plenty of power, easy to hook up and seems to be good quality. I needed to convert 120V power to 12V to run a farm diesel tank pump. Works great. Click link in description for more reviews.